we will have 6 by the end of tonight into that draw, and then we will have the remainder on the losing end against Cape Town City. They have brought in 3 changes. Ranga Chivavira comes back from injury. As for AmaZulu, 2 changes. Ben Motsware comes into midfield in place of the suspended Abubakar Mubara. So here we go. It's Usutu in all white. Inyoga Mhlazana today is on all white. Inyoga Mhlophe.
Also traveling a lot of hours before joining the team, so it made it a little bit easier to say, okay, Castillo, you'll take a rest and we will go with Matou, Mart and Tetra, but it will be interesting.
A chance here! Well, Itumeleng Khune had to be alert there and he read it very well, came out to sweep. Quarter of an hour gone. No clear-cut chances yet for either side, although you got to say that
these leadership qualities will be important for Kaizer Chiefs. This is if you talk about the decoration of Itumeleng Khune, Titi, we might take the whole evening. World Cup, AFCON, Olympics for Itumeleng Khune. So his experience is very key for Kaizer Chiefs.
He has absolutely done it all. Ball over the top, yeah!
And the chest out, the head up. He's got a lot of confidence on the ball. That is Matlo. He needs to keep doing that because he was doing it excellently.
Now a chance to fire a shot in, and Vali Motoa was asked the question and he had the answer.
Good ball rotation coming from Kaizer Chiefs. Again, Chivavairo giving himself.
Played 4 for Chiefs and 2 wins. 2 have been drawn. Those were, of course, in the MTN 8. In case you're wondering how you draw it. Oh, what is happening? Frosler popping up at left back here now. Great turn from Chivaviro. Now chance to shoot from Botsani. Spanish coach of this AmaZulu side. And a Frenchman coaching them. And this one will favor. It's going to be a floated in. Header! Needed to keep that down. It was not a bad ball. Chivaviro shot on target, which was a ripper from a long way out, testing Veli Motoa. And he showed his great reflexes there, did there. Just we'll have a look at it again in a moment. You know, good to see the man. Is the one who gets a yellow card. Oh, goes Joe. That was, and he ends up getting hurt. But that was a bad challenge. Oh, catches a hold. Chivaviro, we hear, will be one of those. And Yusuf Mart will be the other to go off, and Castillo. Edson Castillo is about to come on together with Jason Gonzalez.
Marisberg, former Highlands Park, former Orlando winger, that is Yoste coming in. Near picture, Ditokwe and Dion are still out receiving medical attention.
We're talking about George Maluleka, what he brings. 8th of the season in all competitions. And is 3rd off the bench. Could be a chance here. They found an opening. Oh, they found it! They've snatched the goal! Some intricate interpassing there, and they've snatched the goal of AmaZulu. Would it be wrong to say that's against the run of play? I think not. Snatched it here.
It's a throw-in. They are focused. You can see the ball rotation goes to Maluleke. Good combination with Ngema. As soon as that ball drops in, is the new signing. Is Feliz. Is the centre back. He picks a spot. He uses the in-step technique to place that ball far from Itumeleng Khune. He gives them the lead. That is AmaZulu. It's Feliz, the unlikely source. Well, like a goal that will be proud of any striker to score.
Unbelievable scenes here at the FNB Stadium. Tariq Feelings.
He's going to be in trouble. That is Moto. Is he booked for that?
Yeah, looks as if delaying the restart there. Veli Moto. Into the book he goes. Kuinika will go for the long one into the box. They got numbers in there, everyone. But Khune virtually was. There it is. Hey! That will be the chant.